replacing a Volvo XC70 Headlight. There's a little button, you press this up. And for access, we've lifted each of these latches off. We've taken off the sensor line, removed the airbox. Just pull it off these grommets, one here, and another one over here. Kept the top attached, but loosened this clamp so we could rotate the induction box. Just connected the main air supply and the airbox. Also take this air inlet and just separate it. That gives us some clear access back here. Again, hard to see when you're looking, but it's this cap here. It's a rubber cap. Take the rubber cap off. Hey. We rotate counterclockwise and give it a nice pull, and it popped out. Tabs, just like that. So again, an H11, link in the description below. There's a dark spot where the filament burnt out. The last installer touched the bulb during installation. These 3 tabs will align with a socket, and that 3 that you'll push in once the plug's on the bottom and twist clockwise to snap it in. It's a new bulb, and it should snap into place. I am not touching the glass, and I will put it in there that we're cocked at like a 30 degrees off center line, and we'll rotate this here. So you turn this solid and click in. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.